Oh, you need time. A tick, a tick, a tick of good.
Hello fellow traders, Marv Eisen here from Timeless Dollar Trading Academy. And in today's video, I want to show you how to use the morning trade, the afternoon trade, the tailored trading zone, the stochastics, and the previous day's close to make a profit on days where the market seems to go nowhere. Now this is my chart from Tuesday, August 26th. I'm going to start the action. There are 4 points between each horizontal line on this chart. And remember, I always say, wait for a half an hour to an hour after the market opens to really see which way the market is going to go, and we can take our trading zone, transpose it if necessary, and take a trade based on the trading zone forecasted range. Now I'm going to stop the action right over here. It's just afternoon, okay? Just after 12 p.m. And as we can see, the market basically went nowhere, but the trading zone range was forecast to be 43 points. And I know that from my Taylor calculator. Let me show you where I get that number. And the Taylor calculator, I take my Tuesday numbers from the Monday calculations, and resistance at 64.99. We support at 64.56, 43 points here, the gray column, 43 points is the range between those two numbers, between support and resistance. I'm going to go back to my chart, and here it's after 12 p.m. and there's 4 points between each horizontal line on this chart. And as we can see, prices have gone nowhere. They've gone nowhere. They're from a low of 64.45 right up here to a high of 64.63. So about, what's that, about 18 points? 18 out of 43 points. The market has got a lot more range to go, a lot more room to go according to the predicted calculations. Is it going to go, but which way is it going to go? So we have to look at the day's range and say, well, it's after 12 o'clock. The market went nowhere. And if you are waiting for an indication of where to take a trade, well, are you going to take a trade here at 12:15 p.m.? Well, the stochastics are overbought. So would you take a trade with an overbought stochastic? Not a good thing. I mean, the prices have seemed to go up, but why take a trade with the stochastics overbought? Not a good trade entry. Let me continue. As the day progressed, we're looking for a 43 point range, but which direction? Okay, so prices are oversold right over here at about 1 o'clock. And let's take it a little further. Prices basically going back down to the previous day's close. There we go. And so here we are. Prices are oversold right over here at just about 2 o'clock. Prices are oversold. Then they're going to overbought, almost immediately overbought. Are we going to take a trade here? Well, again, prices are stochastics is overbought. Let's keep going. We're looking for a 43 point range. Which direction? Are prices going to fade the range? Are they going to drop down below it? Or are they going to trade within the range? Let's see. So as the day goes on, we have 43 points to go. We've only gone about 20 points. And so we have another 23, 25 points to go. And it's only about two and a half hours left to the trading day. We have an opportunity squeezed into a two and a half hour range. Okay, so here we are, prices ranging up toward the top. Here is a pretty good indication. Now, stochastics are oversold right over here at 3:15. 3:15, we only have an hour and 15 minutes to the trading day. Are prices going to take a nosedive? No indication that they would. Prices have been rising slowly throughout the day. Here they made a high at 10:30, another high at around 12:30, and here at 3 o'clock, another high, progressively higher. So we have an indication prices are likely to trade higher. Are they going to trade within our 43 point range? If so, we have a lot of potential points that we can make a profit on. We already have a good indication prices are going to go to the upside, and let's see how the day finished up for that remaining 1 hour, an hour and 15 minutes of the day. Okay, so here is where prices went. Prices closed, they closed right around here at 64.84. And so let's transpose our trading range to see if the trading range did give us a good indication of that 43 point range that prices are going to traverse. And I'm going to move my trading zone down to the intraday low right about over here. And here we see the trading range transposed resistance at 64.87 and the high was 64.85. Only 2 points difference. So prices did move 2 points within the 43-point calculated range. So the trading zone was pretty accurate within 2 points of the 43-point suggested range for the day. And so as we moved throughout the day, even though prices went nowhere in the morning, if we use lots of patience, the intraday high or low, the trading zone, the stochastics, we can take a trade a day that seemingly went nowhere and make a good 20-point profit. And I don't think anyone will be disappointed making 20 points, even though they had to wait 4 or 5 or 6 hours in order to do it. Thanks so much for watching. Trade safely, use lots of patience, and this was an example of that. I'm Marv Eisen from Timeless Dollar Trading Academy, and I'll see you on my next video. Thanks so much for watching.